Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Canva Pro subscription or downgrade to the free version, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly manage your account and billing. Step 1. Log into your Canva account on the Canva website using your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Billing and Plans from the drop-down menu to access your subscription management options. Step 4. Find your Canva Pro subscription details on the billing page, including your plan type and renewal date. Step 5. Look for Cancel Subscription or Change Plan option next to your Canva Pro subscription. Step 6. Click Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Canva will display information about what you'll lose access to. Step 7. Canva may offer alternatives like pausing your subscription or switching to a different plan. Review these options if interested. Step 8. Select your reason for canceling from the provided options. This feedback helps Canva improve their service. Step 9. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Continue to Cancel or similar button. Your Pro access will continue until the end of your current billing period. Step 10. Download or save any premium designs, brand kits, or templates you want to keep before your Pro subscription expires. Step 11. Note that your designs won't be deleted, but you'll lose access to Pro features like brand kit, premium elements, and background remover. Step 12. Check your email for confirmation from Canva, verifying your cancellation and noting when your Pro benefits will end. Step 13. After cancellation, your account automatically reverts to the free Canva plan, allowing you to continue using basic features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.